Ọba ẹ tóbi lọ́ba o. Ẹ tóbi lọ́ba. All right, so for today we are going to be making checkerboard cookies. Checkerboard cookies. So I've given you the recipe, right? So we'll go to the bakery, do our measurement, and start our baking there. So let's be on our way. So stay tuned. Yes, Feedy holiday baking day 2 here, and today we are making checkerboard cookies. You want to know more? Come on right in. Expecting you. We've started. So make sure
it's not straight. Not straight.
I add more to it.
Let's see.
Add.
It's okay, wait. Baby, stop that.
So measure the next thing now.
Bring the spoon. Let me measure my butter.
Continue what you're doing.
Sharon.
Too much energy.
This is small bowl.
Continue, everyone.
Ah!
Continue.
So let's do it for 1 hour.
No. So we scrape this down.
Just put your this here. I like using my hands.
So let me have the spoon, please.
Milk and the flavor.
So
That flavor smells good. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time for this spoon. That flavor smells good.
So start mixing.
Smoothly.
Which pen is this?
I'm not using this.
Sharon, don't mess up the whole place.
Okay, let me try. Now this thing will turn to pink.
It won't turn to pink. So just use your hand, and then your hands are already washed, right?
Yes.
So we make a dough ball. Don't let it stay in the center, and then you
Like name it place like what?
It's fun, right?
Yeah.
That's like you're playing with clay. you see?
Yes.
Ha.
Let me see.
Now, I need my friend to have a star on his back.
Wait, what?
What did you say?
Ooh,
Let me see.
heart.
Star, star, star.
She made a star.
Let me see what you made.
Who, me?
Bring it closer.
It's beautiful.
Okay.
Red body.
To the end of today's class, and can see, what did you make today?
Checkerboard cookies.
Checkerboard
And what? I can see something on it.
I'm a turtle. I'm a turtle.
This is nice. Well done, everyone. And how was the class today?
It was interesting. Beautiful.
One after the other?
Great.
Delicious. Fantastic.
It was interesting.
All right.
Amazing.
Okay, so we'll see you again on Friday. So, we are about doing what? What are you all doing?
We are packing our products.
Okay. So, do you always take it home?
Yes.
This is interesting. Only this for each person?
Yes.
All right. So,
I said dilly, you say shots, dilly, shots, dilly, shots. I said dilly.